guys, today I'm gonna teach you about feet and claws of a bird. Okay, let's continue our video. See, let's read this about what is it about. The feet and claws of birds help them to walk, climb trees, and hold their food. Look at how these birds use their feet and clouds. They're telling, let's see how these birds hold their food and sit on the branch and go climb and swim on the water. Okay, first one is see their feet they're given and see the sparrow how it's perching feet. You know perching feet, let's read about it. Have three toes in front and one at the back. They help birds like sparrow and parrots, parrots perch, perch on the branches of trees. They work their toes around the branch and below. They are telling that it helps them to hold the branch when they will not fall on the ground. If it is without crowns, how it will it will fall so easily when they have clouds like this. See, nails on their feet, got clouds. It will hold tightly on the tree and it will not fall. It will keep standing and when they rest they can sleep and they will hold it tightly. They will not fall. Okay. Grasp, grasping feet, like those of eagle hooks, help these birds catch and hold on, on to their pair. They they this is about eagle and hooks. Some birds have short nails, help them to catch it, hold it. These eagle and hooks are carnivore birds. These carnivore birds hold the fish, other animals like leaving down, mobs in the down like small, big. They cannot carry big, they carry small. See now there, fish. How it's carrying and going means it is holding with its crowds and feet. Look how it carries like this. Okay? Now climbing feet. You know what is climbing feet? Means climbing the tree. Have I will tell you about webbed feet. Okay? Then I will tell you climbing. What is climbing feet? Webbed feet. See, this is webbed feet. Let's read about it. Help them puddle the water as they have a tiny skin between the toes. Full ducks have webbed feet. They means ducks have webbed feet. They walk like a web like this. They make noise and goes in the grass, mud, everything. But more they cannot go so far because they can only go this much and they have to go back to pool. See how it's swimming, paddling. It's what webbed feet. Now climbing feet have two toes in front and two at the back to help birds like woodpeckers climb trees easy. These woodpeckers have climbing feet. It will hold like this. Two side. It has like this. It will. It has a one in at front and one at the back. Okay. It hold. It will carry it and go up. It will. It have to look, do like this and go. Okay, like this and go. And climbing feet means climbing feet, not like just flying and going up. These woodpeckers can't fly; they will climb and go. They will climb when they need food. They will fly. And huh, this video is sending here, friends. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will be right here. If you have one doubt or two doubts, I am here. This lesson number 3 is completed. We will see in the next video of us. Don't forget to message me. I will be right here. I'm Yankrishna. Bye.